everyone, my name is Nee. Welcome to Easy Academy. Today we're talking about linear equation part 2, solving more linear equation problems. But first of all, let's review. I have ax plus b equals c is a form of a linear equation where a, b, and c are constants, a is different from 0, and x is our variable with the highest power of 1. How to solve a linear equation? We're using the rule of transposition. The goal is to isolate the variable by itself by moving everything else to the other side of the equation. Change the sign when moving a term. For example, positive becomes negative and negative becomes positive. Let's practice. We have our first problem, c plus 5 equals 10. Using the rule of transposition, I want to keep z on one side and move everything else to the other side. So z equals everything on the right side, copy it down, move 5 to the right side. So now 5 plus 5 becomes minus 5. Now I just need to solve for 10 minus 5 equals 5. So z equals to 5 is our answer. Another example, this problem involves subtraction. 6 equals b minus 8. So it's the same thing. We want to keep the variable on one side, b equals equal side, and copy 6 on the left side. Now I want to move negative 8 to the left side. So I need to change its side from minus 2 positive 8. And the side in front of 6 is plus. It's a positive. Positive 6 equal to 6. We don't write plus 6. So now, piece of cake. We just need to solve for a plus 6. So a plus 6 equals 14. So b is equal to 14. Problem. This problem involves division. S divided by 10 equals 2. Let's write it down in a different way that is easier to view. S divided by 10 equals to 2. Okay, so S divided by 10 is the same thing as 1 over 10 times S equals 2. We have learned that when we move a term, we need to change its sign to the opposite, which means plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. But this is only true with addition and subtraction. When it comes to division and multiplication is something different. So if it involves division, so it will turn into multiplication, and if it's multiplication, it will turn into division. In our problem, I want to keep S on the left side and move everything else to the right side. I want to move 1 over 10 to the right side. So what do? Here is a multiplication. So if I want to move, I need to change the math into division, which means 2 divided by 1 over 10. S equal to, so 2 divide a fraction is multiplication of the reciprocal of that fraction, which is 10 over 1. 10 over 1 is the same thing as 10. So 2 times 10. Now I just need to solve for 2 times 10, which is 20. So 20 is our answer. is another problem. This problem involves multiplication. 10 times x equals 5. Let's rewrite the problem. I have 10 times x equals 5. Keeping x on this side, I want to move 10 to the right side. Look at the math operation is multiplication. So if I want to move it, I need to change it to division. Means that 5 divided by 10 equals 1 over 2. So x equals 1 over 2 is our answer. Another similar example. This problem involves both multiplication and division. I have 9 equals 7 times x divided by 2. Alright, so first of all, let's rewrite the equation in an easy way to view. So 9 equals 7x divided by 2 means 1 over 2 times 7x. Okay? So I want to get rid of 1 over 2. So I want to move it to the left side. The math operation is multiplication, so it will turn into division. 9 divided by 1 over 2 equals 7x. Okay? 9 divided by a fraction is 9 times the reciprocal of 1 over 2, which is 9 times 2 over 1, which is 9 times 2. So 9 times 2 equals 18. 18 equals 7x. Okay. The math between 7 and x is multiplication. I want to get rid of 7. I want to move it to this side. I need to change the math operation from the multiplication into division. So x equals 18 divided by 7. And this is the simplest form of a fraction, so I cannot reduce it further. So x equals 18 over 7 is our answer. That is all for today's lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!